Hey everybody, this is Barry with Christenson Transportation, where the trucker's truck and safety takes priority. This video, a lot of videos are meant for a broad range of viewers and different people in the spectrum, but this one is more of an internal. It's for our contractors and our agency drivers. With all this technology that we've been adding to the trucks, we're able to protect ourselves from damage claims. If you're a driver, we've got apps on your tablets, on your cell phone. When you're picking up trailers and dropping off trailers, you need to take a couple pictures, down one side, down the other side, to show that we're picking up equipment that's good and we're delivering equipment and dropping off equipment that's good. Sometimes we do a lot of drop and hook. We've got a lot of trailers. A lot of customers want us to drop our loaded trailers and come back in the future to pick up an empty or have them reload it. And we'll drop a trailer, and it could be a month later, the shipper or receiver's calling going, "Hey, we can't load this trailer, you need to come get it. There's a big gash down the side of it." Well, the last thing I want to do is hold you accountable for that. I want you to protect yourselves and protect Christenson from these unknown damages. And typically there's a spotting company that's moving equipment around after we drop it, and they're packing them in, like sardines, and they'll get into our trailer with somebody else's trailer that they're backing in, and they'll call and say, "Your stuff's got a hole." Well, we want to be able to say, "You did it." I don't want to come after our drivers, our agency fleets. So protect yourselves, and the easiest way to do it is take those pictures, send them in, we'll put them in with the load. When somebody calls, says they're damaged, we're like, "Here's the last time we touched this equipment. When we left it with you, it was in this shape." We're going to hold them accountable. So don't make me put it on you when there's a question in the air and I don't have proof. It's he said, she said. And when you're dealing with shippers and receivers, they hold a bigger stick. And we don't want to jeopardize our relationships by having these back and forth conversations. We want to say, "Here's our photos, here's when we dropped it, this is time dated, time stamped, this is how we left it. If you've got a spotting service, give us their information, and we'll hold them accountable." So this is not Christenson or safety trying to be mean. This is us trying to give you ways to prevent these claims and these damages and accident repairs. So do yourself a favor. We're going to launch this out, and we're going to live by it. All I got to do is pull up the last load, pull up your picture, show that it wasn't like that when we left it, and we're off the hook, and you're off the hook, and that's the main goal. We'll fight every fight in the world. We don't like to fight them among each other. So let's all be together on this and do our jobs and take that extra 10 seconds and take some photos and send them in. So appreciate everything you do. It's nice to have those extra trailers to drop them. If they all get damaged, we can't do that anymore. So help protect yourselves and help protect us. So thanks for what you do.